Where art thou, Marcus Smart?
Kyrie, can you just speak normal, bro? We get it, you're smart. Say, ayo, Marcus Smart was good.
No, I shall address you as such. I shall not stoop to being mediocre. We shall be intelligent way beyond that which is given to us by they.
Who's they?
The ones who hide the truth in plain sight.
Oh my god, yo, listen. Alright, what you want? What happened?
Well, I figured I'm having so much fun on the Soutex.
Yeah, I'm glad to hear that.
Oh, but my good sir, if only I would have known sooner that I would be having this much fun on the Soutex, I would have left the Cavs eons ago.
Clearly, you can't go back in time.
Oh, my good sir, but on the contrary, popular to contrary belief, it is possible to go back in time.
What? How?
Well, Marcus Smart, feast your eyes on my newest invention.
Yo, that's wild. You made that? Yo, that's dope. Does it work?
Can a human being breathe? Of course it works.
Wait, how you made it?
Well, with my superior intellect.
Oh my god, here we go. I shouldn't have asked.
Don't scold yourself for wishing to seek more knowledge. So as I was saying, you, Marcus Smart, my good sir, you had asked how I made it. Well, lend me your ear for 1 second.
Yes, how you made it, Kyrie?
Well, with my superior intellect, I have designed and outdone myself this time. And I created a real-life Back to the Future car vehicle, I might add, which doesn't run on gas. It runs on biomechanic that matches with natural H2O.
What? I don't understand what you just said.
Well, this car which I have invented, it allows me to venture into the past, ripping through space and time itself.
Yes, I watched the movie. I know how this works.
Some might call me Isaac Newton's successor, but I'm far more of a superior intellect. I, biochemist Kyrie Irving Professor, shall travel back in time through the space-time continuum, and I shall alter history and rewrite it in the way which I see fits best. Well, my good sir, I guess this is goodbye.
You saying a whole lot of nothing right now. You Cavs, I'm back, you. I left the Miami Heat.
Alright, LeBron, you left the Miami Heat, so what now?
I mean, we gotta win a lot of rings.
Kyrie, what's good? Wait, what? Why are you not surprised to see me? I have been expecting you. You finally made a molecular time machine that ripples through the space continuum, allowing you to travel back in time. Wait, what, you knew? I had a feeling my future self would make a time machine. Oh, so I assume you know why I'm here. Yes, I have already started phase 1 of living LeBron James.
Kyrie, you that smart? Who you talking to? Is that you, Kyrie? There's 2 of you? I mean, damn, we gonna win a lot of rings now. LeBron, you serious? Well, what you mean? What happened? You just said there's 2 Kyries and you gotta tell me that don't freak you out. Why would it freak me out? What you mean? LeBron, there's 2 Kyries. Yeah, so that means more rings. LeBron, the other Kyrie might be from the future. Who knows? 2 Kyries means more rings. I just left the Miami Heat. I don't care if that other Kyrie from the future. That Kyrie can be from the future, a clone. I don't care. I wouldn't even question it. You know what? 2 Kyries means more rings. So if there were 2 on me, what would you do? Well, we sending him back to the future wherever he came from, eh? I can deal with 1 trash player, but 2 of them? Nah, I'm good. Oh my god, whatever, bro.
I see LeBron still does not value your intelligence. No, he doesn't. Well, leave him right now. No, I wanna wait till we win a ring. Trust me, Kyrie. Request a trade right now, but it's too soon. No, trust me. You'll be far happier without LeBron James. I know you want your own team. I know you want to be the man. Am I truly happy without LeBron James in the future? Yes. Yo, LeBron.
What happened, Kyrie?
I'm requesting a trade.
What? But I just left Miami. You can't leave right now.
Well, that's too bad, LeBron. I want my own team. I want to be my own man.
Hey, Kyrie, leave.
Really?
Yeah, leave. I mean, I got the other Kyrie from the future. He gonna help me get a ring.
What, LeBron? I'm going back to the future too.
What future, Kyrie? You leaving too?
Hell yeah, LeBron.
Well, I'm never gonna win a ring now.
And also, guess what, LeBron?
What happened?
When I leave you, the Warriors got KD.
What? Oh shit, LeBron fainted?